So today I'll be trying out HelloFresh, which is a meal kit delivery company based in Germany but also has services in Canada. So instead of going to the cafeteria to order and buy my meals, today I'll be trying out the various ingredients they have sent me for an entire week. So as you can see, each food item has its own sort of description with the recipe, and it really helps you in terms of understanding how to make the dish. And it's convenient as you do not need to go to the supermarket, and they directly send it to you through this very big box which has tons of ingredients which will last you about a week and sometimes even 2 weeks. So as you can see, we have the beef bowls, chicken salads, then the introduction, and then other pork chops and salads along with the ingredients. And we just have to sort of look at the recipe to open these boxes and packages and then make the dishes. Currently, HelloFresh runs an offer where you get 12 meals for free for a month. So, as an introductory offer, it's great to try. And as you can see, I did not have to go to the cafeteria or even go to buy groceries, as they've directly sent me all the raw materials which I need, and I can get to cooking.